I love the saying, if you want to go fast, go by yourself, but if you want to go far, go together. If you don't know what a courser is, it's a really fast horse. And we're a big believer that coming together, especially in a pack, we can move faster, farther together.
The great part of working with Courser is they come from the MSP world, and they understand the issues that we face day to day, hour to hour, week to week. It doesn't matter. They run an MSP. So when you have those people that understand the dynamics of our business, they understand what you're saying to them, and you will understand what they're saying back to you.
They get it. They know who we are. They understand our space. They understand the engagement with other MSPs and how to work along with them and help them grow.
While there'll be a lot of integration and centralization, at the end of the day, we are still going to keep our identity as Integrated Access Technology Group.
Our superpower as a platform is leveraging these local brands. So we get to take something that a person built, right, and we don't crumble it into a coarser name. We leverage the brand that they've built in their geographies, and we want to activate and scale that brand in those unique locations, and that's a ton of fun.
Courser has invested significantly in my business on the sales front, where account management and sales was something that was really more of an ad hoc operation in my business pre-acquisition. Then now there's defined structure and accountability and processes. Now all of a sudden there's teams of 2 to 6 people in multiple geographies that are meeting and collaborating and figuring out what's working and not working on a grander scale.
The leadership team at Courser is a bunch of incredible people that come up with creative ways to expand value to my clients, new opportunities for my staff, and I've been able to be a part of that still financially, and I have that connection directly to what we are creating here. That keeps me energized, that keeps me excited, and ultimately when the day comes that I exit the organization completely, the value I'm going to get out of my business, I think, is higher than I would have gotten anywhere else.
Successful MSP business owners want to create opportunity for their teams. We think that when you bring the right partners together, it creates opportunity for the team, which creates tremendous value for all of us.